Lake McDermott is yet another excellent campsite provided by the Shire of Bencubbin. It's only a few minutes east of town and just north of the Koorda to Bullfinch Road. It's a free campsite, but there's also a donation box to help pay for the maintenance of facilities, so it's always a good idea to just pop something in there if you stay overnight. There are currently no toilets at the site, but it's only a short drive to either town or Marshall Rock, where toilets are available. Pets are allowed at this site, and when water levels are high enough, it's a water skiing area. Facilities at the site include a large shelter, which unusually has night lights, seats and tables, plus wood fire barbecues, and boat launching can be done from the beach area. Driving on past the shelter will bring you to a slightly larger area, where it would be a bit easier to camp.
Quite a pleasant area down here. Don't know that there's a lot of space. Fire pit there. And from the pictures we've seen, this shelter here has lights at night, which is quite an interesting addition to it. But no toilets or anything like that here. And we have another little kangaroo donations box at this site. So if you do stay here overnight, a good idea to chuck a bit of money in there, help them out. Little fire pit and barbecue right next to the shelter here. A couple of concrete seats and plenty of space in the middle if you want to bring your own tables and chairs, I guess. The track does continue on past the shelter, and because I've got a trailer on, I'm not going to take the car up there, but I might just take a quick wander up to the corner there, see if it keeps going. It may go right around the lake, or, well, no, it won't go right around the lake. There may be some other areas up here. Well, I wouldn't exactly call that a camp spot. Well, the track does continue on for quite some distance, but I wouldn't say there's much in the way of campsites along this area that I've seen so far anyway. Maybe if you're setting up a tent or something like that, but nothing really suitable for big rigs or caravans.